y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to work on some no-bake pies. Perfect for this summer weather and perfect for any get-togethers that you're going to have this summer. Poolside get-togethers or barbecue, anything like that. The first one we're going to work on is a no-bake peanut butter pie. And this recipe is good for 2 peanut butter pies, but I'm not going to make the 2. I'm going to split it and just make 1 because I have a few other pies to make. So the first thing that I did was I put 1.5 cups of confectioner sugar in my bowl, and I used a whisk on it to just try to get as many lumps out as I could. So we're going to go there first, and then I'm going to add half of a brick of cream cheese, and I'm going to use the mixer for that. We're going to do that until smooth. Then we're going to add our peanut butter and our milk, and then our Cool Whip. Let me get this mixed together. So you're going to mix it until it's nice and smooth. And then the next thing that you're going to add is your peanut butter. I'm just going to use this same little spatula to get it all out. Half a cup, because again, I'm splitting it. Okay. Let's get that off there. Alright. And half a cup of milk. Alright, and we need to mix this together. Oh, that's a mess. Okay, make sure it's good mixed. Then 8 ounces of Cool Whip or whipped topping. Okay, get my graham cracker crust, make sure y'all can see. And we are going to refrigerate this until it's firm. right. There we go. Peanut butter pie. And as soon as it's firmed up, I'll take it out so we can all take a look and see how it turned out. All right, on to our next pie, pink lemonade. Okay, y'all. So this one is super simple. It's a Kool-Aid pie. A lot of people make these and have for years and years. This one, the recipe is for a lemonade Kool-Aid pie, but I'm going to make it a pink lemonade Kool-Aid pie. So what we're going to do, instead of using a packet of lemonade, we're going to use pink lemonade. And we're going to take a little bit of red food coloring and we're going to try to turn it pink. We're going to try. We'll see what happens. Really simple. Let me grab a spatula, because we're going to need it. You're going to need a can of sweetened condensed milk, name brand, generic, it doesn't matter. I'm going to always go with generic, most likely, unless it's just the worst tasting stuff ever or it costs too much. Trying to get stuff out of these cans is difficult. All right. So, got all that out. Okay. Now, our pink lemonade Kool-Aid. They seem a lot smaller than they did years ago. All right. That's unsweetened. And 8 ounces of whipped topping or Cool Whip. I'm trying to see, let's see. Let's use our, still a little bit frozen. There we go. We're gonna use our spatula from a while ago. Really, really easy. Okay. So I'm hoping that this pink lemonade packet will turn it a little bit pink, and it is. I don't know if y'all can tell. But it's going to turn it pink a little bit. And then I'm going to add just like a little drop of red. Turn it just a little bit pinker. I thought this would be perfect for the summer. And it's not just like the plain old lemon. Oh, I may not need any food color. It's pretty pink now. Can y'all tell? Y'all may not be able to tell. Oh, it's such a pretty color. Okay. Oh. It's hard stirring it. Okay. Wipe my hands off. One drop. Not going to do too much, just a drop. There. Just a drop. Kind of just make it a little bit brighter. Okay, when I finished mixing this up, ooh, my arm's getting tired. Yeah, it made it a lot brighter. Okay. Here's our pie crust. Make sure y'all can see it. Let me wash this off. Oh, okay. Give my arms a workout. Okay. Let's get this off of here. Poured in. And hopefully I got everything combined. It's always a good test to just kind of take the last little bit in there and kind of just stir it up and make sure that you got everything real good. Oh, and it's really good and smooth. They did fantastic. I usually don't make many of these because I can make lemon pie some other way, and that's like the only thing that I would probably like, I guess, with the Kool-Aid packets. That or maybe a strawberry. Okay, so it did really well. It combined and came together perfectly. And now all I'm gonna do is stick it in the fridge and let it firm up. Okay? Next, we're gonna do a coconut pie. I'll see you back here in a few. Okay, y'all, so our next no-bake pie is a coconut cream pie. Really simple. You need 1.5 cups of milk. A large box of vanilla instant pudding. Alright, you need to whisk it until it thickens, which shouldn't take but a few minutes. Okay, it's already starting to thicken. Set this aside. We're going to put in a cup of coconut. This is already sweetened. You could probably do sugar-free pudding and then unsweetened coconut if you're watching your sugar. Now there's a little bit of sugar in the crust I'm going to use, so you need to be aware of that. You can also use one that's the baked kind, the pre-baked kind that you have to stick in the oven. And if you do that, you need to, you will have to bake it first. Alright, so we combined our coconut, and now we need half of our whipped topping. 8-ounce container, and we're going to put half in. So we need to mix that together. And instead of a baked crust, I'm just going to use a graham cracker crust because this is a no-bake recipe, and that's what the video is all about. Okay. gonna take this rubber spatula and I'm gonna finish folding everything in, make sure it's good and combined. And then we're just gonna add this to the crust. Okay. And I got my crust at Aldi's. It's just regular graham cracker crust. Shortbread crust would really be good too. Alright, so we're gonna just pour all this in. It's really easy and simple, perfect for the summer when you don't want to heat up your kitchen, but you need to put together some desserts for a get together or just for your family. Perfect for the summer. Perfect. Okay. Now I'm gonna set this aside. Get out another spatula. And then you're gonna take the remaining whipped topping and you're gonna place it on top. Little dollops, because we don't want to disturb the filling. So we do it this way and then we spread it out. Okay, so we'll spread this out. And I am not fancy, y'all. So I'm just gonna spread it out like I normally would for my fam. And that's it. Now, I did take the leftover coconut. So we put 1 cup of coconut in the filling. And I did take the half that I was supposed to sprinkle on top, and I put it in the microwave for a few seconds to toast it. So you can do it in the microwave, and that's what I did. So you don't have to do that. You can just sprinkle it on the top, but I wanted mine toasted, so. Okay. All right, y'all. That's it for this video. I hope you found some really great ideas for your no-bake pies. See you next time.